Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we'll be continuing Water Marble March 2019 with this design using all purple Orly polishes. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors I'm going to be using today are from Orly. The lightest is Cashmere Cardigan. The middle color is Charged Up. And the darkest is Plum Noir. These range from kind of periwinkle into a darker purple. And for my base color, I'm going to be using Platinum, which is a pearl white. Once I have that applied, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex and tape. As usual, for water marbling, we're starting off with a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once your bullseye is built, you can draw out to the sides, and then I'm going to draw in some narrow chevrons in preparations for the swoops. So just going back and forth in the cup. And this will just add more interest to the swoops. Once that's done, I'm going to draw my center lines first, so I'm going to go one direction and then the other, and then draw in the swoops. So we want them to be about a nail's width wide. So there's one channel, and here is the other. Careful as your edges start to dry. If you feel like there's not quite wide enough or there's anything you want to change, you can kind of pull the design just a little bit, but be very careful as you're doing that. I'm going to go ahead and line up my nails next to each other, each aiming for one of the channels, and then go ahead and dip in. Go ahead and clear the surface of any excess polish so that it doesn't stick to your nails. And I think I may have touched one of my nails to the side of the cup. We're going to have to see this is salvageable when I pull out. Go ahead and pull out, and there's the marble. And I think we can still work with that. I can actually see, maybe you can too as I turn the cup there, below the water line there, I did run into the side of the cup. That could have been disastrous. I'm very lucky that it wasn't. Go ahead with the tweezers to remove my protection, like so. Oops. Latex may or may not come off in one piece with the tape. And once I've completed all my nails, I'll go ahead and do the rest of my cleanup. once everything is cleaned up, you can go ahead and finish with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using sèche-vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how these turned out. I also did something I'd never done before in a water marble, and I actually dipped both of my thumbs in the same cup for this one. If you want to see that experimentation, be sure to check out the extended tutorial, which will be up here on YouTube in a few days. And of course, if you want to see that kind of experimenting live, be sure to follow me over on Twitch. I hope you guys all enjoyed this one. I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.